On this week's boiler tip, we're going to take a look at the rear door refractory. We've got this boiler up for inspection this week, and when we got it open, inspecting the refractory is an important part of the inspection, because if this rear door deteriorates, we can start getting overheating of the metal of the door, and that can lead to failure. We don't have any significant imperfections in this door. This pretty much looks almost like new. We do see a little bit of difference in coloration through the door, and sometimes that's because the wash coat that we'll put over that gets abraded, gets heated up, crumbles a little bit. So recoating the door each year gives you a thin layer of protection for the hard insulation underneath. So even if that surface refractory pops off year to year, it did its job. It's protected the more expensive permanent refractory underneath.